Worried about keeping your financial info secure? Let's take control and remove a card from Apple Pay right now. First, find the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. It's the one with the gears icon, and tap on it to open. Scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay. It usually has an icon of a credit card next to it. Tap on Wallet and Apple Pay to proceed. Now you'll see all the cards currently linked to your Apple Pay account. Locate the card you want to remove. Tap on the specific card you want to get rid of. This will open up the details for that card. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the card details page. You should see an option that says Remove Card in red text. Tap Remove Card. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action. Tap Remove again to confirm. And that's it. The card is now removed from your Apple Pay and is no longer associated with your account. You've successfully enhanced your digital security. Remember to repeat this process for any other cards you wish to remove for maximum peace of mind. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.